Mama hungry, Papa hungry, brother hungry, Murphy hungry, say me hungry. Blessings. Welcome to How Can I Help Speak on this channel. And Murphy is hungry tonight. So I'm gonna make a late night snack. Something that I never tried before. But as you people know already, I in the future would like to open up a restaurant later on. So I keep trying things out and see what goes with what and how this one look from how that one look, how this tastes from how that tastes before I present it into my business. So tonight I'm going to put a little thing together. I have half a pizza here, cheese pizza. I have some cabbage. I have some fried plantain. So I'm going to make a pizza, a plantain cabbage pizza. All right. So first I could take out put the cabbage on. This is some leftovers, and I have been thinking about it for a while. Trust me, I have been thinking about it from last week. So at my planting now. I never hear this one before. I don't know if anyone ever done it before, but this is mine. So if it hasn't done before, you can say, yeah, I see something Murphy tried different. And people here don't know me already. I am always trying out recipes. Okay. So we have a cabbage and fried plantain cheese pizza. Alright. So now we're going to put this inside of the oven. Alright. Don't mind my oven. Alright. So we'll let that stay on, do its thing, then we'll come back. And then I will let you know how it is. Alright? So just hold it for a bit. On a serious note though, viewers and subscribers on this channel, when you visit a food channel, you know, Murphy's Catering Kitchen also on YouTube, and you'll find some interesting recipe, you know, some things where easy for do. I give you step by step, you know, you see what's going on, how I do things and all these things. Some things you can do for kids' birthday and all them things. I have 80 to 85 recipes up there right now. But as time goes by, more will be going up. It's just because of some things going on right now why I haven't done anything on that channel like that. I know I have a few people on this channel who subscribe to that channel and haven't seen any new recipe for a while. But there was a few little things that happened. First I got injured, my finger got busted up and everything, so you know you can't cook with while you have sore hand and all them things. You have to take care of that. But I'm the type of person where I always, when it comes to food, I'm always trying things. Not because I'm a chef, but from ever since I'm always trying to put things together and see how it tastes and how it turn out. Then I went to school, become a chef by trade. You understand? Doing a little thing on YouTube, trying to get established from now. I mean, there's quite a bit of people that know me before social media, so now social media comes around, I try to branch out myself even more, you know, and see what can happen. So like I said, just check out the channel and you will see some interesting stuff on there. Alright? And the same thing that you see there, that's exactly how it's going to be when I open my restaurant. I say I don't want to do no promotion of that channel on this channel, but hey, I'm doing food right now, so it just kick in. I can't help it. All right. So just hold it. We have our cheese, plantain, and cabbage pizza inside of the oven. Yeah, like a pea. Look good. So we'll be back in a bit. Yes. So we will take out the cheese, plantain, and cabbage pizza. Look good. Yeah, that look good. That look good. So I'm gonna take it out of the tray now. 1 second. Okay, I could deal with this pizza now. So remember, you know, Murphy do it first if you haven't seen it yet. See? Nice. Let's have that rest that there. Rest that there. Looks good. I like it here. Look good. You can see so it's nicely toasted and looking very delicious, like it's just delivered, but it's just delivered from Murphy oven. Have to create, be very creative. And look good, ain't it? So there we have it. Our cheese and plantain cabbage pizza. Yeah, we know this will taste good. That cheese, tomato sauce, cabbage, the fried plantain, all that combined together and give you a beautiful taste. Trust me. So there it is. My cheese and plantain pizza with cabbage. I always like to make my food look a certain way, because like I said, what you see, that's exactly how you're going to get it in my restaurant. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel at all times. Thumbs up, thumbs down, leave your comment. When you try it, let me know how you like it, how it turned out. Cheese, pizza, and you add your plantain and your steamed cabbage on top. Or whatever you have inside there, be creative. Alright, peace out. God bless to all my sunlights and to all the peace loving man them out there. Blessings.